This 4 ingredients quick salmon dinner recipe with spinach feta stuffing is such an amazing easy baked salmon dinner. As far as fresh healthy salmon recipes go, this is a quick salmon dinner that will introduce you to salmon with a splash. Split the salmon in half and stuff with a wonderful cream cheese, spinach, feta filling. Following is how to make.
Simple to make with 4 ingredients, and oh, it's just mouth-watering good. In fact, think of this recipe if you want to impress. It's sort of like gourmet on the go because it's easy. So let's get started. Here's our ingredients: reduced fat cream cheese, chopped baby spinach, reduced fat crumbled feta, and red onions, and of course our star, salmon. So we're going to start with our reduced fat cream cheese, and then we're going to add our baby spinach, and then our crumbled feta. Oh, anything with feta is so good, and all these flavors really are complementary to each other. And red onions just add a little bit of sweetness. So you're going to just mash it all up. As such, you don't even need a mixer. And what's great about this recipe, you could make it ahead of time and keep it in the refrigerator, then pop it in the oven when you're ready to bake. Okay, I've already mixed it up. Now, what you want to do is you want to split your salmon, not cut it all the way through, just split it, and then we're going to stuff it. This is that stuffed topping, as such, just like that. And you really could put it in the refrigerator. You see how simple it is to make. You can put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to bake it. Here's my tip. You know, I don't like to clean up in the kitchen. So what you could do is cover it with foil, and I spray it with some PAM nonstick cooking spray. And you just put it on here, and when you're ready to bake it, you bake it at 350 for about 20 minutes. I like my salmon a little more on the rare side, but bake it as long as you want, 20 to 30 minutes. And that's why I call this recipe Simple Salmon with Spinach Feta Stuffing. Wait till you take a bite. It is absolutely delicious, and I don't think you'll be intimidated with making salmon anymore. In fact, if you haven't seen my glazed salmon recipe on YouTube, I don't know why, it's 4 ingredients as well, but it has gone viral. So that's another recipe you're going to want to check out as well. So enjoy cooking salmon, and no intimidation, and I'll see you in the kitchen.